Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today's Olympiad math problem is 36 power a minus 4 raised to power b equals 272. Find the value of a and b. So we will solve this question in a very interesting way. That is, we know that 36 is the square of 6. So we will use this technique. 36 is the square of 6. And whole power will be a minus 4 is the square of b, that means 2 square, whole power is b, equals 272. Now what will be the next step? We will exchange the power. We will apply the rule of here. Power a raised to power m into n can be write as a raised to power n into m. Both are same. So we will apply this rule. So 6 raised to power a whole square minus 2 raised to power b whole square equals 272. Now we will apply an important formula in this side, that is a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. And for this side, what will we do? We will make the factors of 272. Factors of 272, that gives us, when we will divide this, and condition is that this is the first value and this is the second value and both should be even, because when we write this in this formula form, we have 6 raised to power a and the plus 2 raised to power b and 6 raised to power a plus minus 2 raised to power b and factor of 272. When 272 is divided by 1, what are the factors? First one is 1 and 272. Then we have 272 divided 2 gives us 1 and 36. 272 cannot be divided by 3. So when it is divided by 4, we get 68. And when it is divided by 8, we get 34. It's mean that are the factor of this. Now we will solve this further in a very easy and specific way. So this gives us 3 cases. These are the factors can be used because both are the even factors. Only even factors are used because when we multiply even and even, we will get an even number. So this is the condition. So how we will solve this? We will arise this in the 3 cases. First of all, discuss the case 1. That gives 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b into 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b equals 2 times 136, because when we multiply this, we get the value. Now 2 equations. 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b, this is the greater one, equals 136, and 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b equals 2. This is the equation 2. Now what will be the rule? Consider 1 and 2. Now add 1 and 2. When we add both of them, we get 6 raised to power a and 6 raised to power a, and 2 raised to power b and 2 minus 2 raised to power b equal 136 plus 2. So what will we get? We get this and this are cancel out. 2 6 raised to power a equals 136 plus 2 is 138. So when 138 is divided by 2, we get 69. So what will be its value? We got the value of this as log by applying log rule. So a log 6 equals log of 69 by, so a will be log 69 by, we will write this here, log 6. So this factor will be rejected. So now we will try for the next factor, because this will not gives us the proper answer. So solve this for case 2, that is 4 and 68. So this is the case 2, 4 and 68. That means 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b equals 68. And the minus factor will be 4. Add both the equation. We get 68 plus 4 is, so when we add both the equation, 68 plus 4, we will get 72. So 6 raised to power a equals 72 is divided by 2. 6 raised to power a equals 72 is divided by 2, we get 36. 6 raised to power a equal 36 is the 6 square. When the bases are same, powers are also same. So we get the answer a equals 2. What will be the value of b? So value of b will be substitute in any one equation. Like we have 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b equals 68. We will substitute a value here. So 68 minus 36, 68 minus 36 gives us 32. 2 raised to power b equals 32. Now 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5. When the bases are same, powers are also same. So b equals 5. So these are the answers, a equal 2 and b equal 5. This is the answer. Now we will do the verification. We will choose the factors that are completely square form or that makes the bases are same. That's why we choose 4 and 68. Many students ask why should we not take the other factors of 272. So that are also even. But condition is this, we will get the answer in the log form. So we will take only this one. Now do the verification to check is our answer is correct or not. So verify. In the left hand side, substitute a equals 2 and b equals 5. That means 36 squared. 36 squared minus 4 power 5. So 36 squared is 1296 minus 4 power 5 is 1024. So 1296 minus 1024 gives us 272. That equals right hand side, which implies our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. Math Solver 1117 is the learning hub for all mathematical solutions related to O levels, A level, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.